Hi, this is John with WTI, and if you're looking for a great feeling when it comes to watches and having the sensation they have a clean, minimalistic style watch, this Eskime watch, it just works wonder for me. So I use this for casual occasions and sometimes formal. But when I'm really trying to go easy, not to be too flashy, using some watches that are going to be too bulky, this one is made out of great materials. And something that I like about this is the gold accents in the bezel. How simple is the whole idea of this watch? It's just putting there, working properly, and the material of the straps, it's wonders. So if you're looking for a watch, and I've already had some great compliments on this watch about how nice and minimalistic and simple it looks, but at the same time, it's elegant. It's gonna look nice on your wrist. I have a big wrist, so using this watch is not being a problem. It's not looking like tiny on my wrist. It looks just perfect. So this was John with WTI, and that's my point of view.